Hey guys, so this video is going to be a little, I guess, vlog or pack with me, but I am really excited because on the day that I'm filming this, I don't know when it's going up yet, but the day that I'm filming this is 6 days before I go to California. And I'm not just going to California. I'm going to California to see Taylor Swift on the Reputation tour in Santa Clara night 1. I posted about this on my Instagram, and if you are not following me on Instagram, please do. I have it always linked down below, but I'll put it somewhere on the screen so you should go follow me. But I posted about it on there. My friend Eliza won a contest with Levi's and she got an all expense paid trip to California for the Santa Clara show for night 1, and she was able to take 3 friends, and she is incredible and is taking me and our friends Mary and Melissa, and all of them were in my Reputation release week video, which I will leave in the cards. I think here or here, I don't know, but I will leave it in the cards and linked down below. Yeah, I'm so excited, and I have to pack this weekend, which is the weekend before, because I just have no time during the week, and we leave Friday morning on May 11th, so I gotta pack. And I thought I would make this video a little pack with me. I don't know if it'll be interesting, but I thought it would be fun getting ready for California. We're only there on Friday, Saturday, and we come home on Sunday, and Friday is when we fly in and we go to the concert, and then Saturday we are going to San Francisco. So I am very excited. I will be vlogging the entire trip, so look out for those vlogs, and let's just get started with the packing. I have 2 bags here, but I don't know which one I want to take. I want to take a duffel bag because it's only going to be a few days, but I don't know which one would be better, this one or this one. I don't know. We'll pack up both and see. But so far I do have a few things. I have my clear bag because this is apparently what you need for the stadiums now, and I bought one on Amazon because I am going to 5 shows, so I will get use out of this. But I have that. A scrunchie because I need my scrunchies, as you can see. I have this little 5 thing, what's it called? A headphone splitter. A 5 one because we're 4 of us, so in case we all want to watch something together in the airport or something, so I have that. I have Sudafed because if you couldn't tell, I have a head cold, and I'm sure it'll go away by next weekend, but just in case. I have my toiletries bag because we're flying, and I have toothpaste and face moisturizer in it already, and a little pill case for the things and stuff. So that's what I have so far. I need to get clothes and the rest of my toiletries, and I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. I went shopping today, but I really don't have a ton of summer clothes, so we also have to check the weather in California. That would be helpful. Okay, let's go.